rien à faire, pas de rendez-vous. Je suis libre comme l'air et prête à tout. La police ferait mieux de pas faire de folie. Doupi doupi, c'est bon la vie. Such a beautiful day to love. Hey love, in today's video I invite you to romanticize your table. We are going to transform this boring piece into a magnificent centerpiece using Dollar Tree's flowers. Let's get started. I've just came back from my Dollar Tree store. I got some faux flowers. I got some heart decor. These are supposed to go on the wall, but we are going to repurpose them. Got some foam and champagne glasses. Look at the details. These are perfect for Valentine's Day. These are going to be a great addition to my tablescape.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine.
Happy Valentine's Day, my loves. I love you guys so much. Celebrate love every day. Love everyone. Find a place in your heart to love, even the people that don't love you. I know it's hard. I'm working on that too. You are going to be more blessed in life. I promise you. Until next time, be the best version of yourself. Au revoir, mes amours. À très bientôt.
Find your true source of love. Concentrate, focus on love. Center now, focus on love. Dedicate, focus on love.
The sun is coming out. Such a beautiful day to love.
Focus on love. When life seems impossible, look from a new angle. Change just one little thing. When life feels intolerable, find your true source of love. Focus now, focus on love. When life seems impossible, look from a new angle. Change just one little thing. When life feels intolerable, find your true source of love. Focus now, focus on love.
Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy. Love does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. 1 Corinthians 13, chapter 4 to 5. Every day is a great day to love. I love you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave me a comment, like the video, maybe consider subscribing if you're not yet subscribed. And I see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Until next time, be the best version of yourself. Au revoir, mes amours. À très bientôt.
I used to think if I couldn't find hope, I should just let it all go. I used to think if I couldn't make dreams come true, I should just let them all go. When life seems impossible, look from a new angle. Change just one little thing. When life feels
Because it's such a beautiful day to love today. What a beautiful day to love today.